I'm Jess and welcome to my room at McGloin Hall. I live in a 4-person suite, so it's 2 and 2. And here is our bathroom. It comes with 2 sinks, you have a shower, and then a separate room for the toilet. It's a rather big space, so it's not too hard to share with 4 people. So moving into our living room, we have couches that have couch covers on them. The couch covers did not come with the room, but in the middle here we have our coffee table, which did come with our room. Our carpet we bought, and the TV stand and the TV we also brought with us from home. Throughout the room there are trash cans that also came with the room, so like moving over to the kitchen area, these appliances we did bring, but the microwave and the refrigerator did come with the room, and you have ample cabinet space for everyone to share and put food in. Moving into my room, I have one roommate. We decided to put our beds diagonally like this because it makes the room a little bit bigger. So my roommate has her desk over here, mine is over here by the window, and this is where I like do homework or get ready for the morning. It's just a nice little space to have. You also have a nice big window for fresh sunlight to come in. If we go over there, we have a rather big closet. Honestly, it's not small at all, and I added this to make it a little cozier and prettier. Regarding furniture in this room, all the wardrobes and dressers came with the room, along with the desk and the chairs. Ladders and the beds obviously come with the room. But yeah, that's my room in McGloin Hall. Go Jays!